Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much. My name is Rustam Effendi Rashid, and I want to present my uh, paper with my old friends. The title is Instilling Character Values Through Language Learning Based on Local Wisdom in Sidendeng Rapang Regency. Right, introduction. Character education is the first and fundamental aspect of human development, including cultivating moral, ethical, and social values that shape individual behavior, decision making, and community interaction by Saputra and Budimansyah 2022. It is essential in the holistic education of children and young adults, preparing them to become responsibility, caring, and contributing members of society. The importance of character education is emphasized by its ability to promote the development of critical human qualities such as justice, patience, compassion, respect, and courage. Character education is a comprehensive approach that includes many elements, including positive school culture, moral culture, social emotional learning, and civic education. One key aspect of character education is the deliberate focus on the character development process, which involves imparting knowledge, promoting awareness and understanding, and facilitating the translation of these values into action. In the context of school in Indonesia, character education has been integrated into the curriculum with character values taught in daily classroom activity and extracurricular program. Character education has become an essential focus in the education system in Indonesia, given the challenges of globalization and modernization. They are increasingly eroding culture and moral value. Local wisdom, which includes the loyal communities, tradition, customs, and culture, is a rise resource of moral and ethical values. In this context, this paper present to explore the potential for instilling character value through language learning based on local wisdom. Based on this background, the following research problem are formulated. How is local wisdom applied in language learning in school, including the methods, strategy, and curriculum designs? What character value can be instilled through language learning based on local wisdom? And how effective is language learning based on local wisdom in instilling character value in students? Research method. The approach used in this study qualitative. This research carried out at SMA Negeri 1 Sidrap. The research subjects consisted of language teacher, 3 people, and class 10 students, 30 people. Data was collected through interview, participatory, observation, and documentation technique. The data that has been collected will be analyzed using thematic analysis method. Results. The first is the application of local wisdom in language learning in schools, which includes methods and strategies as well as curriculum design. This study is divided into several aspects to analyze the application of local wisdom in language learning in schools, including methods and strategy and curriculum design. A. Learning method and strategy. How about a learning method and strategy? The integration of local wisdom in language learning can be seen through various activities. First, integration of local folklore and legends. Teacher utilize local folklore, legends, or myths as teaching materials to introduce language structure, vocabulary, and grammar. B. Curriculum design. The integration of local wisdom into language learning can be achieved through several approaches. First, integrating local material into the syllabus. Teaching material related to local wisdom can be incorporated into the language syllabus. In this study, topics such as customs, traditional ceremony, typical foods, and local culture were included in the learning units. C. Project-based evaluation and assessment. The assessment is not only carried out through written tests, but also through projects related to local wisdom. In this study, students are assessed based on their project presentation, play, or written work that raise the theme of local culture. The problem statement 2. Character values that can be instilled through language learning based on local wisdom. Language learning based on local wisdom has excellent potential to instill various character values in students. The value of mutual cooperation. Local wisdom often emphasize the importance of cooperation in society. Culture projects and traditional drama with the time Mapata Tombola. Mapata Tombola is one culture in Bugis, South Sulawesi. Tolerance. Local proverb sinenengrapang at the Mapachi activity site dua mikuala sapo ungan na panasay belona kanupue contains is a moral message emphasizing honesty importance. Strive. Much local wisdom emphasize the emphasize the value of hard work and perseverance in incident rapang regency. One the things rises in the study was the story of Usman Balo's character. Usman Balo is a one hero in Bugines Sinendeng Rapang Regency. Responsibility. Local wisdom-based language learning teaches students about social and uh, environ- environmental responsibility. One example, the story of Nenek Malomo teaches the importance of protecting nature and the environment. Students are taught to be responsible for preserving their surroundings. Justice. The value of justice is reflected in folklore and local custom as well as in the story of Nenek Malomo, who sentenced her son to death to uphold justice on Bumi Sidendeng Rapang. Students learn the importance of being fair and non discriminatory in various aspects of life. The third problem statement. The effectiveness of language learning based on local wisdom in instilling character values in students. The integration of local wisdom into language learning can be implemented through various strategies that enrich students' learning experience and deepen their understanding of local culture. One of the approach is integrating local materials into the syllabus. Another key approach is collaboration with local culture experts. Furthermore, using local learning resources play an essential role in integrating local wisdom into language learning. Discussion. Overall, language learning based on local wisdom has excellent potential to instill character value in students effectively. Through this approach, students can internalize moral and ethical values relevant to their lives, improve their understanding and application of those values daily, and demonstrate positive behavior checks. The success of this approach also requires a curriculum integrated with local wisdom content and supporting educational resources. Furthermore, integrating local wisdom in language learning can create a sense of pride and a strong culture identity in students. Thank you very much.